Yo, what's up, man? Your boy Lil Cash is here, and we are back with my favorite artist, Mrs. Green Apple. We're reacting to his Blizzard. Yeah, it's live, no HAKOBUNE. On wow. Can't wait. Let's get started. Hold on, wait. Morning. Is he laying down? Yeah, I think he's sitting, yeah. Morning comes and night passes. Emotions are tripping in Sanctus. I hate the weather, takes my heart away. Wait. 朝が来て夜が過ぎて泣いて虫のモーショナル湿った天気心もう出かれて I'm scared of needles dreaming. Dreaming. ポップロックも光ったフレーズものヒントディレクション覚えたより道の美学も無駄ではないモーション悪い日でもない It's not a bad day either. 気づいてない私の愛裸足のライン両目で見ててねえねえ街に夏が来た気づいて泣いてますねえ街に夏が来た気づいて泣いてますエモーショナルとアップダウン乗り換えはない僕のそばにいたThat's real music, real work. Hollow melody pitifully beat my Fresh dance 溶かしてあなたね
Oh my, oh, beautiful. It was really beautiful, man. Fake love can't copy it. Rustus, true love. Cherish it. I just love it. The song was really amazing, especially whenever he's singing on the stage. Comes with full of emotions. You really start feeling Mrs. Green Apple. You feel like you are really listening to something meaningful, something which is related to you. You know what I mean? Because honestly, if I talk about myself, to me, I always feel related to Mrs. Green Apple all the time. His lyrics, it's like he's really talking about me, about my life. His music is like that. You can feel related to all the time, and it's always inspiring you, telling you cherish the moment. When he said, "Don't you see? Looking, through your two eyes, I am dancing, singing, dancing with a barefoot." So I just love these things. He's not like just a singer, he's an artist, a real artist. And that's it, guys. I hope you'll like it, share it, and until next time, bye bye.